Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure sitting south of the Kenai Peninsula is dragging in a lot of dry air for western Alaska. Clouds are thick, but not a whole lot of precipitation is falling at this point. Another storm across the western Aleutians is locking in low clouds and dense fog for places like Attu at this hour, with high pressure sitting just south of Nunivak Island and just east of the Pribilofs. Fog is noticed around Dutch Harbor in Alaska, and low pressure out across the southern Gulf of Alaska at 1,009 millibars is keeping dry air locked in place for northern and eastern sections of the Gulf Coast, including a wide swath of real estate across southeastern Alaska. Meanwhile, in the interior and north across the south-facing slopes of the eastern Brooks Range, showers and thunderstorms have been firing up, that along the southern extent of a frontal boundary that is falling apart as we head into tonight. In the meantime, a flood advisory continues for the Kenai River from Skilak Lake to the Kenai Keys. That'll go now until 10:15 on Thursday. Water levels along the Kenai River from Skilak Lake to Kenai Keys have crested, but will remain above flood stage. Water levels will slowly fall over the next couple of days. Looking at tonight, most areas in south central and southwest will be pretty dry. A better chance for some steadier rainfall around Norton Sound and across the middle Yukon Valley. And again, the Brooks Range looking at a better chance for showers to develop there, while a good part of the Copper River Basin and southeast should be dry. By Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms should return in widely scattered fashion from the Seward Peninsula and Nome eastward along the Yukon Valley into places like Eagle and again the south-facing slopes of the Brooks Range. Most of the Arctic coast should be relatively cloudy with areas of dense fog at times. High pressure just to the east over the northern Yukon at 1,021 millibars expected to remain in place, and therefore the very small area, about 30 nautical miles of rotting sea ice very close to Prudhoe Bay, will likely slowly melt in place there as well. Thursday's forecast shows low pressure still hovering near Attu at 1,003 millibars. The leading edge of that front is disintegrating, but very, very slowly, heading for Atka perhaps by Thursday afternoon. High pressure sitting over St. Lawrence Island will keep areas of fog and stratus around the Pribilofs, St. Matthew, and into Bristol Bay. Low pressure south of Kodiak Island at 1,012 millibars, trying to work its way into the western Gulf, bringing with it another opportunity for rain late in the week for Gulf Coast communities. Showers and thunderstorms still possible around the middle Tanana Valley by late in the day. With Alaska's statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave.